What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I am out in Manassas, Virginia, and I am going to show you a whole house system that we have right here behind me. We're going to give you guys some inspiration and show off some of the products that we sell. If you guys would like to purchase anything that you see in this home or anything home theater related, more than likely we carry it. We have the industry leading top manufacturers available for purchase with nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. Make sure to ask about our preferred partner network as well. We are working on building that up throughout the entire nation, and we have a free design service. So if you guys don't know what you need and you just need to consult with us, give us a ring. All that we ask is that you purchase from us with that low price guarantee. All right, guys. Well, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. I'm going all around Virginia and many other parts of the United States giving you guys inspiration. Let's get into this house and check it out. All right, guys, I was incorrect. This is not a whole house system. It's actually just a really sick theater room and then a cool workshop space. I'm gonna start with the workshop space. This is the customer's garage, and you can see he trimmed everything out really nice. Put a nice big 65-inch screen there on the wall. He does woodworking in here. And there's 4 in-ceiling Sonos speakers right here. And everything's terminating upstairs. So just some stereo audio, but pretty cool. Really cool workshop. So now I'm gonna take you downstairs and show you the theater room. Let's go.
You thinking about expanding out to the East Coast?
Absolutely, yeah. We're already selling so much in the Virginia and New Jersey, New York area. Yeah. I figured, you know, we might as well find a partner out here. All right, guys, and now I am down here in the basement. This is the customer's theater room, and I'm gonna just walk you through real quick and show it off. All right, so this is a Focal system, the 100 series. We got the Focal 100 LCRs here at the front of the room for the front left, front right, and center. And then we have the in walls right here as the surround and surround rears. And these are going to be all your low level effects, like a car screeching around a corner, door slamming, background music, things like that. And then overhead, he has Dolby Atmos. So this is a 7-to-4 system, and he has the 100 series Focals up here as well. So you're gonna hear the helicopter ripping around up here on the ceiling, car screeching around the corner. It's a very immersive experience and really the industry standard now. I mean, everything's produced in Dolby Atmos. And then in addition to that, we got 2 subwoofers. The SB3000 right here at the rear of the room, and in the other corner over there, another SB3000 from SBS. Focal does offer subs as well, but we sell a ton of SBS because it's a really good value, especially combined with the Focal for the high frequency audio. This system is going to sound amazing, and I'm going to make a separate video of just a demo of this space, so you guys got to subscribe to the channel. We'll play a couple movies so that you can get an idea of the experience that you could expect. Now, let's get to the video part of it. This is the JVC LXNZ3. This is a laser projector. And you can see this is like it's a theater room, but you know, it has windows, he has a seating area back there. So with a laser projector, this is 3,000 lumen output, super bright, and you never have to worry about bulbs. And it's broadcasting onto an ALR screen, ambient light rejecting. And ambient light rejecting screens are really all the rage right now because it gives you incredible picture quality and rejects out the ambient light. So people that don't want total darkness in their theater. Maybe even you have a dedicated theater, but you want to have some lights on. Like I was in another theater in Ashburn, Virginia, where I show a Black Diamond screen in a dedicated theater space. So make sure to check out that video too. And we did an RS2000. So that was a little bit different setup, but this is perfect for this type of situation because you need that higher lumen output because of all of the ambient light. And this is a 150-inch Screen Innovations Zero Edge Pro Slate 1.2 ALR screen. And this one does even have the backlit LED kit on it, which I'll show you guys in the demo what that looks like. I know that's a lot of information, and these things can seem overwhelming because there's so many options available. Don't hesitate to utilize our free design service. We'll walk through all the options available and present options that fit your space and budget, because there are so many different choices. We want to make sure we select the right option for you. All we ask is that you purchase from us, and we have the nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. So it's a win-win for everybody. Oh, let's take you over to the rack room. So back here is where the equipment is. And his utility room. And you guys, you recognize this if you're a subscriber to our channel. The Strong FS series rack is just awesome because it comes fully assembled right to your door like this. All you have to do is just throw the equipment in it and you're ready to rock and roll. So the customer has the watt box. I use this a lot too. Has the tube lights that pull out on the front, and it has surge protection and I think 11 outlets. Fully enclosed. It even has bands here on top. You can see it has this Harmony hub back there. You guys know we sell a lot of these Harmony systems for universal remote control. You got Apple TV, the AVR Denon 6700. This is new for 2020, and it's the full 13 channel. It's a beast. You got a PlayStation, and you have several shelves left over. This is the 27U size, 27 unit. You can see he has a Smurf tube running up. If you're building a house, always put in a Smurf tube going to the projector, because then you can replace your HDMI anytime. Also, we recommend running a couple Cat 6. So this customer consulted with us whenever he was building, and actually because he watches our YouTube channel and follows our instructions through the design service, he was able to DIY the entire project. And you wouldn't even have any idea that it wasn't done by a professional. I mean, everything is done perfect. I mean, we've made videos on how to step-by-step install this in-ceiling Focal 100 series, step-by-step how to install this in-wall Focal. So we've also shown how to install the LCRs. So a lot of videos and a lot of information to help you guys out. All right, guys, that is a wrap on my walkthrough of this killer system out here in Virginia. You guys know that we're doing tons of projects out here, and I'm just out having a great time. Just good people, awesome customers. I really appreciate all of y'all's support. It means the world to me. Seriously, it's like I got friends all over the country. You guys are amazing. Anyways, if you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping in the lowest prices guaranteed. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. Give us a ring. We have a free design service as well as preferred installers. What more do you need? We have you covered on all the industry leading manufacturers. All right, guys, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.